Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Christmas village display platforms. To begin, gather your essential materials like a sturdy piece of plywood or foam insulation board. You'll also need a hot wire cutter and a utility knife for precise cuts. Start by cutting your base to your desired dimensions, perhaps 24 by 36 inches, a common size for a small village. Consider planning for multiple levels right from the start to add visual depth and interest to your festive scene. Next, let's build up the terrain. Use additional pieces of foam to create varying elevations, hills, and gentle slopes. Secure these layers firmly with hot glue or a strong construction adhesive, ensuring everything is stable. Carve out flat areas where your village buildings will sit and create natural-looking contours. Remember, a solid and level foundation for each piece is crucial for the safety and display of your delicate village items. Now, it's time to add texture and bring your landscape to life. Apply a base coat of paint, perhaps a dark brown or gray, to cover the foam entirely. Once dry, use a mixture of white glue and water to adhere artificial snow, glitter, or even fine sand for realistic ground cover. You can also create pathways and roads using sandpaper or by painting distinct sections. Always allow each layer to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and set up your enchanting village. Strategically place miniature trees, fences, and streetlights to enhance the festive atmosphere. Carefully position your village buildings, making sure to hide any power cords discreetly for a clean look. For an even more immersive display, consider adding a painted backdrop. Before the grand reveal, test all your lighting and animated features to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.